Making its original debut at the Frankfurt International Auto Show 50 years ago, Porsche now celebrates the anniversary year of the 911 by presenting the new generation 911 Turbo and Turbo S. Complete with new all-wheel drive, active rear axle steering, and adaptive aerodynamics, the vehicle boasts up to 560 horsepower from a 3.8-liter flat-six twin-turbo engine with the Turbo S handling the standard sprint to 100 kilometers an hour in just 3.1 seconds. A sound Symposer intensifies the driving experience, transmitting induction sounds of the turbo engine to the passenger compartment via a speaker diaphragm. The characteristics: expansively wide rear body panels of the new generation 911 Turbo are now 28 millimeters wider than on the 911 Carrera 4 models, which correlate to Porsche's newly developed active aerodynamic system. The interior is completely redesigned, with features such as an exclusive interior in a black Carrera red color combination and adaptive sport seats. Check out motorblog.com for more info on the new Porsche 911 Turbo and other cool car videos and features.